Hello everybody, Root Beer here once again with the grade 8 Gauss paper. We're up to question number 20. So, in the 6x6 grid shown, two lines are drawn through point P, dividing the grid into three regions of equal area. These lines will pass through points. Okay. So we want to divide the grid into equal area. Alright, well, what's the total area we've got? Because that's what we're going to split into three by these two lines. So, let's actually try and draw a 6x6 grid. I know I'm going to fail at this, but it's okay. I have to try. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two, 3, 4, 5, finally 6. You know what? That's actually not that bad. If you've seen some of the other grids I've drawn, you know it can go horribly wrong right from the start. So P is down here, and we have a bunch of other points, but we'll label them when we get to them. The idea basically is that we're going to have two lines that sort of cross something like this or like this. Doesn't actually matter which ones are in my diagram. And it splits everything into equal areas. Well, what's the total area? It's a 6x6 grid, so that means our total area is 36. And our area is split equally. So each smaller region needs an area of 36 divided into three equal regions. That's going to be 12. Okay. So we want to find points on the grid so that each region has area 12. Well, one thing I notice is that we have right angles here. So no matter what we do, we're going to get right angle triangles. Right angle triangles with a base of 6 on either side. So two of our regions are right angle triangles. Both have a base of 6. What is the height? So we want to make a triangle over here that has area of 12, and we want a height. So we know 12 is the area, 1/2 base times height. So that's 3h. Let's get back to the black. And that means h is going to be 12 divided by 3. It's going to be a height of 4. So this should be 4, and likewise we should get 4 over here. So what is our grid's actually going to look like? Our points will pass through 1, 2, 3, 4 this one, and 1, 2, 3, 4 this one. So even though our diagram doesn't actually accurately show it, I drew those lines in to show you what I meant by what the question meant by drawing two lines through P that separate the thing in equal area. I obviously know these are not equal areas, but they let us recognize that we were going to get right angle triangles, and that one of the sides was already fixed at 6. And so that told us, okay, you need to go up 4 points. You need to go to a height of 4 in order to get the area of 12 that you desire. And if both of these are going to be 12, then this middle area has to be 12 by default. All right. So now we count. height of 1, height of 2, height of 3. So we're going to pass through J. And only one of the answers has J in it. So it's going to be J and T, but let's just double check. Height of 1, height of 2, height of 3, and finally height of 4. So J and T. Our answer is B. So we get an answer of B. And that does it for the grade 8 Gauss part B. We're on to question 21 in part C. So these are the difficult questions. These are the ones that separate the men from the boys, as the old saying goes. We'll take a look at question 21 in the very next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.